Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 72 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today, we're going to be looking at exercises 109 and 110. And in particular, I find 110 very tricky. So if this is too much for you, you might want to move this to the next day if we're going a little bit too fast, and that's totally okay. I'm just putting these together so that we have nice even groups of two.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So exercise 109 begins with neighboring tones. We got da, 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 then back to the fourth interval. And exercise 110 begins with the fourth, da, da, but then we also bring in the next tone below, okay? Da, 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 da. Okay, so don't be thrown off. Make sure that that's a major second, that second one, not a minor second, okay? Here is exercise 109. Made it to the end. Here is exercise 110, which I'm going to take nice and slow and take a couple of breaths. Oh.